Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana pudding recipe. This recipe is very easy and simple to make at home. For this recipe I need a can of milk, sweet milk. This banana pudding recipe tastes like Magnolia bakery banana pudding. Homemade version of Magnolia bakery banana pudding. This is really easy to make at home and super delicious. Add 1.5 cup of water. I add ice cubes to make the water cold and speed up the process. Mix milk with cold water really well. Then add vanilla pudding cream. After mixing milk and water, add a box of vanilla pudding and mix it really well. Vanilla pudding cream is ready. Now I will refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. Look at the vanilla pudding cream. It's already thick and ready to use. The cold water and ice cube made the job easier and faster. An electronic mixer makes it easier and speed up the process. Now it's time to make whipping cream. 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk the cream at least for 3 minutes or till it's creamy and thick. My whipping cream is ready and it took about less than 3 minutes to make the whipping cream. The whipping cream looks thick and creamy. Now it's time to mix vanilla pudding cream with whipping cream. Add vanilla pudding cream. Fold the two creams together till they are mixed really well. The two cream mixed really well. Now it's time to make the layers. Make a pattern layers. For this recipe, I will use half bag of wafers cookies or NILLA wafers. And I will need about 1.5 bananas. It's optional. You can go for more bananas, but please do not use more than 3 bananas. Decor banana pudding layers just the way you want it. I had cream first, then a little bit banana, then cookie, and I will continue doing that till my cream is finished. Make 2 to 3 layers. This step is optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to. But I like to add some crushed wafers cookies on top. Wait to see how I'm going to use the leftover bananas. Refrigerate the banana pudding overnight. There is another way to serve banana pudding recipe right away, and I am about to share it with you. I need 2 ziplocks, one for vanilla pudding cream and one for whipping cream. I am going to use my wine glass. Make simple layers. I will add vanilla pudding first. Then bananas. This is another way to use banana pudding right away. It's delicious and tasty. Some crushed cookies, wafer cookies, then some whipping cream, some bananas again, the leftover bananas, and top it with some cookies and crushed cookies. My kids love right away banana pudding and overnight. Now here is the overnight banana pudding is ready too. Look at this yummy and delicious banana pudding recipe. You should make it at home. It's very delicious and easy to make. Homemade version of Magnolia bakery banana pudding. My banana pudding recipe is ready for serving. Thank you for watching.